Okay, viewers, Byte says this tablet can fix everything.
It can, I think.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Captain Clarity.
Hey, team! To catch the next adventure, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't miss out. Wait, what is that? That's not my code.
Viewers, don't try this at home.
The kitchen's alive! We need towels, not updates.
But updates work in my world.
Byte, follow my lead. Clarity beats chaos.
Trying, Captain.
Viewers, hold tight. It's learning too fast. Crisis averted, for now.
But it's not gone.
Stay tuned. Clarity always finds a way.
We did it? Or did we?